everyone, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be showing you the inside of my travel planning pouch. I've created this because I spend a lot of time sort of moving between rooms. I go out for work and all of this sort of thing, and I just wanted to have something on hand that if I just wanted to do like a quick bit of planning or write in a notebook or something, then I've got something to grab that's got a selection of supplies in it. Decided to use the pouch from the, I think it's the November box, this one, the Fawn'd Memories box from Simply Gilded, because I got this pouch and I thought it was gorgeous and I didn't really know what to do with it. So I've decided to pack it full, and in fact it's so full that I can barely get it zipped up. So I probably do have too much in here. But it's nice to have kicking around the house, so if I want to, go and quickly do something in the kitchen while I'm cooking dinner, then, I can just grab this. And it'll become more useful when I start going back out again. The other reason I wanted to do this video was that I actually looked for other people and what they were doing with these, and I couldn't find anything anywhere. So I thought I'd just show you what's inside mine, just in case you've got one in the house that you weren't really sure what to do with. So the first thing that I've got in here is a load of washi cards. Now, I can never decide which washi I want on washi cards, so I've probably got, far too many in here. But this one is from the iridescent ink subscription box that came out in January, I believe, and it's my favourite so far. And even though I already had all of these in here, I decided that I really needed this set of washi tapes because it's one of my favourites that she's ever done, and this one in the middle in particular is like just absolutely gorgeous. But they're all mostly Simply Gilded because that's kind of my obsession with washi tape at the minute. So I've managed to fit 6 cards in the front. There is more inside as well. You can never have too much washi tape on you. So let's get stuck in. Now, I've sort of decorated this just to make me smile when I open it, but it's also functional. So there's lots of things in here that I need on a regular basis. So this is inside. Now, I've got a few like loose bits and pieces. So I've got a Tipex mouse that's just loose, a rubber. This came from the Erin Condren seasonal surprise box in the summer. And this rubber is massive. Like, it's one of those kids really over the top huge things. So what I've done is just cut a bit off the end because I don't need any more than that. I don't do enough stuff with pencil to warrant having any more. So I've just chopped a bit off the end to use, and then just a pencil sharpener. And the only reason I've got those things in here is because one of the things I've got in here is a pencil. I don't often use pencil. Sometimes I do a bit of art journaling or doodling, so I quite like to have a pencil around for that. But that's the only real reason it's in there. So that's just kind of the loose stuff that's just floating on the top that I kind of have to squeeze in to make it fit so that I can get it done up. And it's so full that, I've just had to find a way to fit it in, really. So as we started up here, we might as well come over here. So first thing that I've got is this ruler from the Simply Gilded iridescent ink box. As you can see, well used already because it was put in the wrong way round. And then I've got a spare Simply Gilded pen. I go through these really, really fast because I do so much writing and journaling and all of that sort of stuff. So it's nice for me to have kind of 2 on hand just in case one runs out. And then the other pocket, I've got my craft tweezers just for like small stickers and that kind of thing. I've got the travel scissors from Erin Condren. It's always worth having a pair of scissors around just in case you want to cut a sticker up or something. And then my trusty craft knife. I bought this on Amazon. It's very well used, as you can see, and it's got a safety cap on it as well. The other thing I like about this actually is because I've got a toddler, it's nice to be able to keep all of this on hand without worrying about her getting her hands on it, because I usually just put it on a high shelf, but then I don't have to worry that I've left my knife or my scissors lying around, because once I've used them I just put them back in here and then I'm not worried about it. And then of course I've got my little Hallie felty clip, just because she makes me smile. And then I've got these 2 paper clips with just some flowers on. I think they're pretty. I've got quite a few of these. I ordered them from AliExpress. You can also order them from Gretel Creates as well. So if you like those, then that might be a good place to go and grab them from, because you're likely to get them slightly quicker. And then back here, I've used like the window pocket just to put this in the pocket so you can see it, because I think these sticky notes are really cute. Just post-it notes from Simply Gilded. We know I love a cup of tea, so that's why they're in there. I've got the page flags from the iridescent ink box. I think this colour palette is just gorgeous. I love it. And then I chose some Erin Condren like sticky pockets that I had in a drawer. Plus it goes very nicely with the page flags from the iridescent ink box, and then some more washi cards. I love Once More with Love, as you can probably tell. I've got 2 of the little munchkins, and this one's the collab with Happy Scrappy as well, with some more Simply Gilded tape on there. They are supposed to poke out the top of this, but because there's so much in here, I think they just slip down the back, in all honesty. But I don't mind, because it does what I need it to do. Just put all of those back in there. Oh, Hallie, getting all dizzy. And we'll just fix Hallie back on. So then coming across, the next thing that there is, so it's like a little pop-on pouch, so you can pull this off if you wanted to. I've got a little planner charm on here. It's the one from Happy Scrappy, that's kind of like a Sanrio Hello Kitty type feel to it. Just think it's really, really adorable. And again, because my planner doesn't really warrant planner charms, it's just finding other ways to use them. And I like to attach them to zips. I haven't attached one to the outside of either of these, again, just to not really encourage my daughter to open it. And then in here, I have got some more washi cards with more washi tape. I'm obsessed with washi tape at the minute, so I've got loads of it kicking around. Oh, don't know what that is. I'll get rid of that. It's like the edge of a sticker. And then I've just got some sheets of like Happy Scrappy stickers. They are all Happy Scrappy because these are the sorts of things I've got duplicates of. So if I wanted these stickers in particular, I've got them somewhere else. Plus the sheet size is the right size that they fit nicely in here. I probably, again, don't need to carry around as many stickers as I do, but I'm obsessed with them and I like having choices. So that's the reason I've done that. And then perhaps if I take this off to show you underneath. So then I have got another Simply Gilded pen, again, just so I've got to line around. I do like a pen loop on my planner, so I don't have to, you know, go hunting around for a pen, but some of the like journals I use don't have pen loops, so it's nice to have that, again, just as choice. And then this one is the Microperm pen, because I've got Happy Scrappy stickers in here, and they've all got that like glossy finish. I like to write on them with this pen, so I've got one of those there. It's a Sakura 0.5 Microperm pen, and then some mild liners, because what planning session isn't complete without mild liners. And then in the back here I have got just some Erin Condren dual tip markers. I think I bought these from Zoo Lily when they were really cheap, or they might have been in the massive warehouse sale that they had ages ago. And then the last 2 is just some jelly roll pens. These are the ones that come in the Simply Gilded box, because I only have 2 of these. I don't have, you know, a whole selection of them. But again, they write quite nicely on different coloured papers, and they're just, again, something nice to have around. And then I did try to put some other bits back here. That was my intention, but it was so full that I then couldn't get it closed. So I haven't actually got anything in the very back here, but you probably could fit, let's have a look, but you probably could fit like a little B6 notebook back here if you wanted to, and just to put that over the top, just as an example. Yeah, I reckon that would still close. But yeah, I haven't got anything back there. Most of my notebooks are in Traveller's Notebook, so I don't need to worry about having a spare notebook lying around inside this. But so there we go, only a short video today, but I just thought I'd show you inside. Like I say, I was looking for what other people have been doing with them and I hadn't seen anything. If you've got pictures of yours or a video of yours, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more from me, then do hit the subscribe button and come back and join me again. Thanks very much for joining me today. Take care.